Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Close with Mercy. And so guys, I welcome you to another amazing video. And so guys, I had someone asking me, how do you grow your small account without even relying on any indicator? And so guys, in this video, I want to show you how exactly you can actually be able to execute your trades. Growing a small account is something that really challenging for sure, especially if you don't have knowledge. And basically what I say is that the only thing you really have to do is having the mentality that your account is small. So what you're supposed to know, you're not supposed to over leverage your account. You're not supposed to be holding your losses for long, and that's what you're supposed to know. That is a baby account. So anytime you enter into the market, having a scalping mentality, and that will basically help you execute your trades. Okay, so guys, on my market right here, we are on consolidation phase. So basically when I say we are on consolidation phase, this takes you to whenever you want to execute your trades, number one, understand the market structure, right? And so guys, it is important to know the types of uptrends, the type of ranges, and so on and so forth. So a range like this is a range that I cannot execute trades, because even the spreads from the brokers we use, they're not going even to allow us make even sense in this case. So what you're supposed to do right about now is basically paying attention on formation of the higher highs, the higher lows, the high and the lows. Okay, so guys, in this case, as you can see right here, I am going to pay attention on what is going to happen. Either the price can break above my high, or other price can break below my low. So guys, what you're supposed to keep in mind anytime you want to execute trades as well is the formation of the market. Okay, so in this kind of ranges, we expect price to touch the high, then it comes back to low, then it comes back to our high, then it comes back to our low. But basically this kind of a market that we have right now is basically showing us what is exactly happening. Reason being, this price is not being able to come below to the low. There is a creation of another formation right now, and basically if you can ask me, this is a higher low right here. When I have a higher low, what I'll basically do as a trader is waiting for a formation of a higher high, and basically waiting for a pullback, which is basically be a higher low, and on higher low level we're going to execute our trades. Reason being, we've got an assurance right here, so that is a probability the market can really break this high over here and an uptrend will basically resume. That's what we're supposed to keep in mind anytime you want to execute your trades. And so guys, I just want to see how the market is going to behave right now. Remember, we actually try to reason together. That is what I can use to confirm my trades, simply because they are showing that now buyers are really in control and sellers are now decreasing their momentum. Not really in control right now, simply because you can see the formation of the market. So guys, this is a very important thing to pay attention to. So whenever I'm executing my buy order, because I'm basically going to execute my buy order, I'm going to put my stop loss slightly below the low right here, and I'm going to target this level over here. Let me just draw it. If price happens to buy, I'm going to target that level. If not that level, then I'm going to target this one right here. So if it happens to break above my line over here, I'm going to hold my positions. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to keep in mind anytime you want to execute your trades. This is something that you have to pay attention to, and basically guys, that is how I do take my trades. So I want to see how the market is basically going to behave right now. Remember, those are my target points. When price breaks above this, I'm definitely going to take my buy order targeting this one. If it happens to break above, I'm going to target this one. If it happens to break above, guys, I'm going to hold my buy order. So guys, on my live market right here, we can see the live candlestick pattern. It is actually being rejected by higher prices, but basically failing to cross and close above this level right here. So I'm going to see how it is basically going to behave right now. And there we go. We got a yap. We are to the upside. as you can see guys, price is actually really reacting to the levels that I have highlighted, the very crucial level. So if you were to execute your buy order right here, you could have actually made over your 10 pips. So this is a creation of higher high guys and higher low. So you can basically execute your buy order right here. Our level is broken, level broken right here, so we can basically hold our positions. So this is a very aggressive push. As you can see, there is a movement that you can basically rely on executing our trades, and basically we are to the upside. So guys, that's what I want you to keep in mind right now, and you can see what I consider to execute my trades. Reason being, when you draw all these structure levels, they will guide you. And as you can see guys, there are levels that price was reacting to, basically breaking above. It is an easy and a very strong uptrend. So that is what I wanted you to keep in mind anytime you want to execute a trade. What you can do guys, you can see I looked at the nature of the market right now. I found a consolidation range. I had to see how the market is basically behaving, a creation of a higher low that gave me an assurance. Now price will basically form a higher high, which we got right here, a retest which created a higher low. Remember, on uptrend we take our buy order on higher low, then we got a structure level broken, and basically it is a very beautiful uptrend. So guys, that's how you can use to actually execute your trades. And I can basically tell you, when you want to grow your account, you have to understand what you're doing. You have to understand the nature of the market you are at, because you cannot really continue taking your selling order simply because the market was selling right here. People can really assume that the market was proceeding to the downside, or rather continuation is taking place. But guys, you can see it was an aggressive reversal to the upside. That's what I want you to keep in mind, so that you can be able to execute your trades efficiently anytime guys. This is basically what you really need to know. And when you keep this back on your head, you're basically going to be able to execute your trades and to make money and to grow your small account. Remember to always have a scalping mentality, but when you have very good entry and you see price breaking above your structure level that you've drawn like mine in purple line, you can rely on it executing your trades. As simple as that guys, and I know it is going to help you as far as forex trading is basically concerned. So guys, that's what I had for today. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video as well. And so guys, bye bye. I will see you in my next video.